Today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Google account using your iPhone. This is a straightforward process, but make sure you really want to do this as it's irreversible. So let's get started. First, open the Google's on your iPhone. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the App Store, or you can simply go to Chrome as well. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Manage Google Accounts. This will take you to your account settings. Now tap on Data and Personalization. Scroll down until you see the option for Delete a service or your account. Scroll down until you find Delete your Google account. Tap on it. Here, as you can see, it will check. It shows whatever and all the action that will be undone, that will be done. Just like deleting your account will erase all your files, emails and data associated with it. If you're sure you want to proceed, follow the prompts to confirm the deletion. Click on Delete Account. Now you may need to enter your password here, and that's it. Your Google account has now been deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.